The ENYAQ IV comes with a new simplified digital cockpit. The default layout shows assist systems, driving data, and navigation directions. By pressing the top left button on the right-hand side, you can turn on adaptive cruise control. By pressing the buttons below, you can shift focus between the three parts. The top left button on the left side activates LoRa, and you can adjust the volume using the touch bar below the infotainment screen. Pressing the top right button on the left side activates steering wheel heating. Be in total control of the road like never before with the head-up display. You can see navigation, assist systems, and speed in real time. To adjust the head-up display, go to Menu, Vehicle, Interior, and Head-up Display. From there, you can switch it off and on and adjust its position to your comfort. You can also tap or swipe to adjust the brightness level and choose which helpful features you'd like to be shown, apart from speed, which is always displayed. To set up the air conditioning, press the Climate button on the button bar. From there, you can adjust settings in either Smart AC, from cooling your feet to getting fresh air in your car. In Classic AC, set the preferred temperatures for driver and co-driver using the touch slider or by tapping the plus or minus icons. To set up the temperature in the back, tap Rear, and then set the temperature on the screen or directly in the back. To lock the rear control, tap the rear icon. To unlock, just tap it again. Tap Air Care to purify the air in your car. At any time, you can turn your AC on and off by pressing the AC off icon. With stationary air conditioning, you can increase or decrease the temperature of separate zones in the cabin. No physical buttons? No problem. You'll first be prompted to select between private and online mode. By default, the menu and home buttons and three favorites lie on the bottom bar. You can customize the main menu screen by simply tapping, holding, and dragging any icon to your desired position. You can see your favorites by dragging down the top of the screen. You can change favorites by tapping and dragging any icon. You can also customize the home menu to your taste by tapping Home and then tapping on one of the sections to enter the edit mode. By tapping and holding a favorite, you can select which widget you'd like to replace it with. Tap, hold, and drag down to the bottom bar to lock it in. We recommend Auto Hold. To set up your headlights, tap the Vehicle option in the menu. Then tap Headlights. There you can switch on and off the Dynamic Light Assist and Dynamic Cornering Light features. For this to work, you need to be in Automatic Lights mode. This you can find by your left knee. Switch on by simply pressing it. Here, you can also select the Poor Weather Light that replaces the front fog light and also the rear fog lights. Navigate to Side Assist by tapping on Assist Systems and then tapping on the Side Assist icon. There you can adjust the door warning light intensity by either tapping or swiping. To exit, simply press Menu. To adjust front assist, tap Assist Systems in your menu. Then tap the front assist icon to toggle features within it. And tap Menu to exit. To activate Lane Assist Plus, tap Assist Systems, and then tap the Lane Assist icon. There you can choose to turn off steering wheel vibration warnings. To activate Predictive Cruise Control, pull the lever to the On position. By moving the lever up or down, you can increase or decrease the set speed in 10 km/h increments. You can adjust the distance to the vehicle ahead of you with the rocker switch on top of the lever. To further adjust preferences for the Predictive Cruise Control, go to Assist Systems and Adaptive Cruise Control. There, you can adjust Road Layout Preview and Speed Limit Preview, which include Traffic Jam Assist. To exit, simply tap Menu. To find charging stations, go to Navigation, then Search, then tap on the charging station icon. Alternatively, you can type in charging station. Tap on any result to set it as a destination. You can scroll down the description of the charging station to see its kilowatt strength, energy provider, number of chargers, and more. Press Start to start your journey. You can see your ENYAQ's current battery level and drivable distance in your My ŠKODA app. You may also set your charge limit and enable or disable the cable lock to prevent it from being stolen when in public. To choose your charging current, tap the top right icon in your app to choose between maximum or reduced. To start charging your ENYAQ, simply tap the Start Charging button.
Hello, my name is Jaromír Mendl and I am responsible in product marketing within ŠKODA for ENYAQ IV family. Today I will show you how we update the software in the ENYAQ IV family. What will software update change in your car? Improved battery management, more charging power, new HMI and ŠKODA Connect functionalities, and the most important, it enables over-the-air updates. The software update to ME3 is free of charge for all our customers with ENYAQ IV family models. It will take just few hours to update your car. After almost 5 hours, my car is done. And I can enjoy, for example, better route planner with proposal of charging stations. And this all helps to make your drive more efficient. Enjoy your updated ENYAQ IV and drive safely.
Time to recharge? With the activated battery care mode, you simply extend your battery life. You can charge with power 135 kilowatts, or even higher, 100 kilometers higher range in just 7 minutes. And while enjoying your short break, you still have everything under control. Feel like having a trip? Well, good news. With the updated My ŠKODA app, planning got much easier. Just a couple of clicks and you are ready to go. And so is your car. Not only for your trip, but also to make you comfortable just the way you like it. Shall we? And if anything unexpected comes up, we are always there to help. Long trip ahead of you. On the way to your destination, you have a perfect control over every part of your journey. The desired route is always calculated with precise data about charging options on the way. For all planned charging stops, the remaining battery capacity and anticipated charging time are shown in detail. With the new navigation software, you can easily adjust settings of desired charging options. Ready to go?